when I get excited enough.
Oh, really?
Am I just gonna do random stuff?
Yeah.
Should I take off my glasses?
If you want.
I don't feel like having my glasses on. And I've got like really ugly pimples. Is it video camera?
Maybe.
Do you know what that camera? It's like guys.
We'll go over there and see if it... Yeah, I can see us. Just make sure it doesn't fall over, okay?
Okay, you don't have to put on the very edge. It's like it falls over and you die, because it's... What does at you? But then I'll knock on the camera.
Over here!
Got it! Oh God! What if we actually put this on YouTube? Are you planning to?
I don't know. You don't want to. You don't have to.
What?
If you don't
No,
want
I wanted to, but I'm just wondering. This weird.
I'll see.
This is really strange with those weird noises. I'm fine. I was just surprised. Runs into. Oh God, my parents are gonna kill me if I get too loud and out of control. So let's not run into people.
Gotta be careful with me because I'm crippled. Remember that thing where you were like,
Ooh, you look like a necklace. What? Oh, okay.
that thing where you're like, spinning around with your mouth, no, I can't do it.
What?
But
Oh God! Oh my God!
just make sure you don't wash throughout the camera.
I won't. I'm just trying to get farther back so they can catch more. Oh, those are your glasses.
Just make sure you don't bring...
I won't.
Wait.
God! Stop it again?
Both of them, both of them.
Oh God!
I can imagine making this.
And my arms have gotten stronger since I did leave. What? Why are you throwing stuff on me? How can I be quiet?
Your mom.
Looks like it knocked me over, didn't it?
Maybe.
Hey, what the? Oh, it's my slipper. Don't spit out your water.
I'll move my bag out of the way too.
Water. Makes really gross noises.
Oh look, I have a man's hand.
A man's
A
hand?
man's hand.
Oh my God.
Yeah, men's hands look like this. You know?
Ugh.
If you don't have one, you're not a real man.
Ugh.
You're like twitching. You twitch more. There. No one can see you now.
Do you have a camera?
Yeah, it's right here.
Like, they can't see me, I don't think.
Go. Wait. Wait. Wait.
Ugh.
Put them back on again, then I'll put Not really. Not really.
Oh well.
You're wrong. Damn it.
Ow! That hurt! Ow! That really hurt! But I'm still alive.
Oh, really?
Oh, you won't be in a couple minutes! Ow! Calm down.
Last noise. Did you break it?
No, I didn't break it. It went under the thing.
Oh, okay.
What the hell? How did it get like that?
There, we're back.
This would be such a stupid video.
Oh, I see YouTube poop it.
Oh god.
Especially when I'm thinking the part where you spin around with both of them, you'd like spin, like make it really fast.
Oh, my neck hurts. I probably shouldn't have done that.
Oh, careful. Yourself.
I'm gonna like break my neck or something.
Don't break it, please.
I won't.
That would suck.
Yeah, that would. It'd probably kill me.
My mushroom.
Mushroom! Breathe through your windpipe! Breathe through your windpipe!
I do.
No, you don't.
I breathe through my esophagus.
Oh well. My hair feels all messy.
Feels all messy.
It is messy. And I'm gonna be like putting this on YouTube maybe, so
Doesn't matter.
I know, but still, for the people who know me, it'll be kind of like,
Awkward?
yeah. Tyler and Patrick. Come on down.
Careful.
Oh yeah, I keep forgetting you're crippled. Oh my god. But you went like big fall. Scare me. You're scaring me when you do that. And it's not just for the show. Just for show. You're actually scaring me making that noise. I don't know why I'm wound up. I didn't have any caffeine. Maybe it's gummies. Woo! This is gummies.
Maybe your mom.
Jelly bean gummies.
Maybe it's your mom.
Maybe it's friend's mom. Which is actually my mom. I kind of feel like some people will be thinking we're drunk or something. Or at least I'm drunk. You can cut out some of the things we say, you know.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Like all the stuff referencing putting it on YouTube and stuff like that. If it actually goes on YouTube. That's stupid.
I want to see what we've done now.
Oh god.